Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we discussed a very important chapter of your NCERT exercise, which is what triangle and its property. And in that chapter we discuss all the important concepts related to triangle. We also discuss about the we discuss all the property. We discuss the interior angle property of the triangle. We discuss the exterior angle property of the triangle. Also we discuss the right angle triangle and the Pythagoras property of the triangle, and we take and solve so many questions of your NCERT exercise based on that topic. Okay, now yes friend, today we are going to discuss a very important chapter of your NCERT exercise, which is what perimeter and area. So first of all we discuss the what is the concept of perimeter and area, dear students. In all the classes, all previous classes, we already discussed about that concept. Ki perimeter means the sum of all sides of any geometrical figures. This is the sum of all sides of any geometrical figures is known as perimeter, and the area occupied by the any geometrical figure is known as what? Area. Means region. You can say that the region occupied by the any geometrical figure is known as the area of that figure occupied by that figure. Okay, now in previous class we already discussed the concept of the formula for the area of parallelogram and triangle, and we take and solve so many questions based on that topic. And let's see some revision. And you know that in parallelogram, suppose that ABC is a parallelogram, suppose that ABCD is a parallelogram, and in parallelogram area of parallelogram is what? This is the base into height. The formula for the area of parallelogram is base into height, and the general formula for the area of triangle AB. Suppose that this is the ABC is a triangle, and height is what? If we draw, this is the height of the parallelogram, and here ABC is a triangle. This is your base, and this is the perpendicular height of the triangle. And second formula is area of the triangle is equal to 1/2 into base into height, base into height. This is the general formula for the to find the area of the triangle. And also we discuss about the rectangle. You know that, dear student, in any rectangle ABCD, suppose this is the length of the rectangle and this is the breadth of the triangle, and each angle is equal to what? Right angle. And what is the formula for the area and perimeter of the triangle? And just I discuss about that. Perimeter means what? The sum of its all sides of any geometrical figure is known as what? Area. Perimeter. So perimeter of rectangle is what? Perimeter of rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth, and area of rectangle is length into breadth. And one of the most important formula in that chapter is what? Cos. Cos is equal to what? Area into rupees per meter square. Okay, this is the very common formula and very important formula in that chapter, which is cos is equal to rupees per meter square into area. Okay, now this one we take and solve. In previous class we take and solve so many questions based on the area and parallelogram, area and perimeter based on the parallelogram and triangle. Today we are going to discuss some important concept question based on the rectangle as well as circle. Now this is the concept of parallelogram, area, triangle and rectangle. Now first we discuss some important formula of circle, then after we take and solve some important questions of your NCERT exercise based on rectangle as well as circle. Let's see. Now we are going to discuss some important concept of what? Circle. Let's see. You know that what is this concept of circle? Circle is the path of locus of a point in a plane which moves in a plane in such a way distance from a given fixed point is always constant, and that constant is called the center of the circle. Suppose that P be any movable point which is moved in a plane in such a way with distance from a given fixed point is always constant, then the path of that point form a circle. Okay, and the distance between that moving that point P which lies on the circle and the fixed point, that fixed point is known as the center of the circle. This is your center of the circle and this is your the radius. The distance between the any point on the circle and center is known as the radius of the circle, and the radius of the circle remains always constant. If that point we take as that point, so that point, suppose so many points on the circle and the distance between each and every point remains the same, and that constant distance is known as the radius of the circle. Okay, radius of the circle, radius of the circle. Okay dear students, look, so in that region the distance AC, BC and C are equal to R. And what is the concept of diameter? Look, you know that diameter, suppose that's the center of the circle and this is the radius. Different, the diameter is a line segment. Diameter is a line segment which passes through the center and join any two points on the circle. So that distance AB is the diameter of the circle, and one is the important relationship between diameter and radius of the circle is that the diameter is always double of its radius, means diameter D is equal to 2 into R, and the radius of the circle is half of the diameter. So this is the very important relationship between the radius and the diameter. Okay dear students, so we discuss all the important formula. Now look, now we discuss about the circumference and the area of the circle. What is the formula of circumference and area of the circle? First of all, we discuss about the concept of circumference. What is the concept of circumference, dear students? The length of outer boundary, of any circular region. Okay, suppose this is the outer boundary. If we starting from point B and moving that way, and after reaching at point B, then the length of its outer boundary is known as the circumference of the circle, and the formula for the circumference of the circle, which is denoted by the capital C, is equal to 2 pi r. Okay, the formula for the circumference of the circle is what? 2 pi r. And you know that very well, here r is what? R is the radius of the circle. Okay, and the value of pi is, you know that very well, 22 upon 7. This is the fixed value, constant value. The value of pi is always taken as 22 upon 7. This is the formula for the circumference of the circle. And second one is area. Guess what? Area. What is the concept of area of the circle? Guess what? The region occupied by that circular region. The region occupied by that circle is known as its area, and the formula for the area of the circle is what? Pi r square. The value of pi is always taken as 22 upon 7 or 3.14 as according to question. Okay. Now these are two very important formula related to circles. Okay. Now we are going to discuss, we take and solve some important questions of your NCERT exercise based on perimeter and area, then solve it. Let's see. Now this one we take and solve, and your question is the perimeter of a rectangular sheet. So take an NCERT question. The perimeter of a rectangular sheet. The perimeter of a rectangular sheet is 100 centimeter. Is 100 centimeter. If the length is 35 centimeter, if the length is 35 centimeter, find its breadth. Find its breadth. Also find the area. Also find the area. This is the question here. Okay, this is a very important question of your NCERT exercise. Let's see its solution, dear friends. Here the perimeter of the rectangular sheet. First of all, we form a rectangular sheet. Suppose that here we take as ABCD. Suppose here ABCD is a rectangular sheet, and in that sheet the perimeter is given. Perimeter is given what? Perimeter is what? 100 centimeter. Okay, and length is what? 35. This is your length, 35 centimeter. And okay, and we find the breadth of the rectangle. Suppose that we take as the B. Let B be the breadth of the rectangular sheet. Let B be the breadth of the sheet. Okay, then first of all, and also we find the area. We also find the area and breadth. Okay, so first of all we find the breadth of the rectangular sheet. After that we find the area of that. Okay, let's see. Since we know that perimeter is equal to 2 into length plus breadth, this is the formula for the perimeter of rectangle, which is what? Perimeter is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Okay, now we put the value of its perimeter and the value of its length. From there, we simplify them and we get the value of its breadth. Let's see. We get 2 into length is what? 35 plus breadth is equal to perimeter is what? 100. So we simplify them. This is 2 5 are 10, 0. So 35 plus b is equal to 50. That is the value of b is equal to 50 minus 35. That is the value of b is 50 minus 35 is what? 15 centimeter. This is first answer. Thus, dear students, in this page we have the breadth of the rectangular sheet, which is what? 15 centimeter. This is one answer. Now second one is what? Now dear students, we also find the area of the rectangular sheet. Since we know that the area of sheet is equal to what? L into B. The area of the sheet means the area of the rectangle. You know that length into breadth. So the angular area of the rectangular sheet is what? Length into breadth. So look here, length is what? 35 and breadth is what? 15. So we get what? We get as 15 5s are carry 7. 52. This centimeter square. Okay, so the area of the rectangular sheet is 525 centimeter square. Okay, so thus dear students, in this way you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on area and perimeter. Based on area and perimeter. Okay, dear students. So these are the very important. Now we take and solve some other questions of your NCERT exercise based on that topic. Let's see. Now we take and solve some other question based on that topic, which is what? A door of length 2 meter and breadth 1 meter. This is very important question of your NCERT exercise. A door of length 2 meter and breadth 1 meter and breadth 1 meter is fitted in a wall fitted in a wall is fitted in a wall. The length of the wall is okay, different. The length of the wall is 4.5 centimeter. 4.5 meter, and breadth is 3.6 meter, and breadth is the length of the wall is 4.5 meter and breadth is 3.6 meter. 3.6 meter. Okay, find the cost of whitewashing. Find the cost of whitewashing the wall. If the rate of whitewashing, the rate of whitewashing the wall is rupees 20 per meter square. Rupees 20 per meter square. This is the question here, which is very important question of your NCERT exercise, dear students. Let's see once more time. Here, a door of length 2 meter and breadth 1 meter. Okay, a door of length 2 meter and breadth 1 meter is fitted in a wall. Okay, the length of the wall is this and breadth is this. Find the cost of whitewashing the wall if the rate of the whitewashing the wall is rupees 10 meter per square. 20 per meter square. Just I discuss about that topic. This concept, the cost is equal to what? Rupees per meter square into area. So first of all, we find the area to be whitewashing. We don't want whitewashing on the door. So first of all, we find the area of door. Let's see. Dimensions of door is what? Length of door is what? 2 meter and breadth of door is what? 1 meter. Okay, therefore we first of all we find the area of door. Therefore area of door is equal to what? Length into breadth, that is 2 into 1, that is 2 meter square. Okay, dear students, so in this way first of all we find the area of the door. Now dear students, we find look, what is the dimensions of the door? Dear students, the dimensions of the door is what? Means the length of the wall. What is the, now we find what is the dimensions of the wall. Now look, length of the wall is 4.5 meter. Okay, length of wall, this is for wall, length is what? 4.5 meter and breadth is what? Breadth of the wall is what? 3.6 meter. Now what I do? Now we find the area of wall. Since the area of wall is what? Length into breadth, that is length is what? 4.5 into breadth is what? 3.6. Now we do multiplication. 3.6 into 4.5. Let's see what I get. 0 8 16.20. This is 16.20 meter square. 16 by 20 meter square. Look, this is the area of wall. But we find the cost of whitewashing the wall at the rupees 20 per meter square. So for that, first of all we find the area to be whitewashing. We don't whitewash it, only that door is fitted the wall, so we subtract the area of the door from the area of whole wall. So that area is to be whitewashing. The area thus the area to be whitewashing to be whitewashing is what? Area of wall minus area of door, that is 2. Okay, so we get what? We get as 14.20 meter square. Thus there is in this way that area be covered as the whitewashing. Okay, because of here that door is fitted the wall, and I don't do whitewashing on the wall, so the area is to be whitewashing is what? 16. We subtract the area of the door from the area of the wall, so we get 14.20 meter square. This is the required area for the whitewashing. Now what we find? We find the rate find the cost now. Since the required cost will be, since the required cost is equal to what? Rupees per meter square into area is to be painted. So rupees per meter square is what? 20 into which is 14.20. Now we simplify them. Now 14.20 and 20 20 0 0 0 0 2 0 2 284. So rupees 284. This is our required solution of the given questions. Okay. Thus, this is one of the most important question of your NCERT exercise. Okay, dear student. So in this way, you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on that topic. Means area and perimeter based on the rectangular. Okay. Now we take and solve some question based on the circle. Let's see. Look, if the circumference of a circular sheet, your question is, you take a question of your NCERT side. If the circumference of the circular sheet, if the circumference of the circular sheet is 154 meter, okay. Find its radius. Okay, listen. Find its radius. Also find the area of the sheet. Also find the area of the sheet. You take value of pi as 22/7. Let's see its solution. That's what I just discussed about that the formula for the circle, and we know that the circumference of the circle is what? 2 pi r. Okay, so we apply the same formula here. Look, what is the given? Circumference is given as 154 meter. So we let r be the radius of the circle. Let us consider r be the radius of the circle. That is, circumference is equal to 2 pi r. So we have 2 pi r is equal to 154. Okay, because of we have the perimeter of the circular region, means circular sheet is what? 154 meter. So here we put the values. 2 into 22/7 into value of r is to find. So we get the value of r is what? 154 into 7 upon 154 154 into 7 upon 2 into 22. 2 into 22. Okay, now look. 11 to the 22. 11 is the 11. Okay, 11 is the 11. What I get? 4. 11 to the 14. Now 2 7 is the 14. So the value of r, the value of r is what? 7 is the 49 upon 2 centimeter. This is our first answer. Thus, dear students, in this way we find the value of the radius of the circular sheet as r is equal to 49 by 2 centimeter. Okay. Now, what we find? We also find the area of the circular sheet. We also find the area of the circular sheet. Now, since we know that area of sheet is equal to what? The area of sheet is pi r square. This is the formula for the area. Okay, and the area of sheet is what? Pi r square. Now we put the value of pi and radius r in that formula. So we get what? Let's see. Value of pi is what? 22 upon 7. The value of r is what? 49 by 2. So 49 by 2 whole square. So we write as 22 upon 7 into 49 upon 2 into 49 upon 2. This is 11. This is 7. 11 7 is 77 into 49 upon 2. Now, you can simplify easily. After that, after simplify them, you get your result. So, dear student, this is the method. This is the process to solve that type of questions. Okay. Now, we take one more questions of your NCERT exercise based on that topic. Let's see. And your question is find the perimeter of the given figure and your figure is that. Look, this is given as 10 centimeter. This is the form of a semicircle, okay, and the perimeter of the given region, we find the perimeter of the given region. And what is the concept of perimeter? Just I discussed about it. The sum of the total region, total length of outer boundary is known as what? Perimeter. So let's see its solution. First of all, here this is the semicircular render. This is the semicircle, and this is the diameter of the circle. So from that region, from that figure, the perimeter of that is what? Area of semicircle plus area of its diameter means 10. Look, first of all, radius of semicircle. Radius of semicircle is 10 by 2. That is what? 5 centimeter. That is what? 5 centimeter. And here we take the value of pi is 3.14. The value of pi is 3.14. Now comment. Since perimeter of figure is given by what? Area of perimeter of semicircle. Perimeter of semicircle plus 10. We add the diameter, and you know the perimeter of semicircle is what? Pi r plus 10, and you know the value of pi here. You take as 3.14. 3.14 into the value of r is pi plus 10. So you get what? This plus 10. So we get what? 25.70 centimeter. So this is the required answer of this question. Thus, dear student, in this way you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise based on perimeter and area. Okay. Thus, dear student, in next class we take and revise some other chapter of your NCERT exercise based on perimeter and area. Okay, dear students. Now, thank you all. and revise your questions. Thank you.